You have to be sick and you have to be in close contact with someone while you're sick.
There are now 27 cases of COVID-19 in British Columbia. That update Saturday morning from Provincial Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry. The new cases include a local woman and a man in his 50s after he made a trip to Iran. Two more cases involve two people in their 60s. They were on the Grand Princess cruise ship quarantined near San Francisco. Now they're receiving care back in the Lower Mainland. The other two cases involve residents here at the Lynn Valley Care Centre in North Vancouver. Those cases discovered after an outbreak assessment was ordered due to a staff member here testing positive.
It's hard. It's hard on families. It's hard on the residents. Often older people may have dementia, other things that make it challenging to be in that situation. And it's hard on the staff as well.
We're really engaged in this, in every part of this. This is not an exercise.
A respiratory outbreak protocol is in place at the home. It includes daily monitoring of residents, restricting visitors, as well as avoiding congregation and protective measures for staff.
I think it's quite scary, and hopefully the government's on top of it.
Norm Duplessis has lived in the area around the care home for over 35 years. He says he knows people in similar facilities and that he is starting to worry.
I have friends that I'm worried about, yes. It's a big concern, and I hope the government is right on top of this and don't Mickey Mouse around with it.
Meanwhile, Dr. Henry says those like Duplessis who live in the neighborhood should not worry about the virus being transmitted through nearby businesses shared by residents of the Lynn Valley Care Centre.
We know that this virus is transmitted through close contact. So it's not transmitted in the air, it's not transmitted outside, it's when you're close to somebody. So providing care for somebody, sitting next to them, talking, being with your family member. So it's not a public risk in that way.
Henry adds of the 27 British Columbians who tested positive, 4 have recovered, with 3 currently in hospital. One woman in her 80s is in the intensive care unit. In North Vancouver, David Zura, City News.